Hey everyone. So today I'm here with a topic that I believe will be beneficial for most women. I am going to be talking about menstrual cramps and foods that ease the symptoms. Most women experience some menstrual pain. For up to 15%, it is severe enough to interfere with work and other activities for one or more days every month. Sometimes the pain diminishes after childbirth, but for many women it continues. So, what causes the pain? Chemicals called prostaglandins are a central part of the problem. These chemicals are made from traces of fat stored in the cell membranes and they cause inflammation. They are also involved in muscle contractions, blood clotting, and pain. Shortly before a period begins, the endometrial cells that form the lining of the uterus make large amounts of prostaglandins. When these cells break down during menstruation, the prostaglandins are released. They constrict the blood vessels in the uterus and make its muscle layer contract, causing painful cramps. Some of the prostaglandins also enter the bloodstream, which causes other symptoms like headache, nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. So, what are the foods to ease the pain? The key to success is to follow the diet strictly so that the beneficial effects it has are evident after a cycle or two. Drinking a lot of water is always important, and this is especially true during your period. Staying hydrated can reduce your chances of getting dehydration headaches, a common symptom of menstruation. Green leafy vegetables such as spinach, broccoli, kale, amaranth can boost your iron levels. Spinach is also rich in magnesium, which helps to reduce the cramps. A warm mug of ginger tea can improve certain symptoms of menstruation. Ginger has anti-inflammatory effects which can soothe achy muscles. Bananas are great for menstrual cramps as they contain good amounts of magnesium and potassium which will relax the uterine muscles. A tasty and beneficial snack, dark chocolate, is rich in iron and magnesium which will help reduce the painful cramps. Also consume nuts like almonds and walnuts, which will also be beneficial to ease the symptoms. While all foods are okay in moderation, you might want to avoid or restrict certain foods that may worsen the symptoms of your period. Consuming a lot of salt leads to water retention, which can result in bloating. It is okay to have sugar in moderation, but eating too much of it can cause a spike in energy levels followed by a crash. This can worsen your mood during your periods. Caffeine can cause water retention and also bloating. It can also exacerbate headaches, but caffeine withdrawal can also cause headaches. So don't cut out coffee completely if you are used to having a few cups a day. Red meat may be high in iron, but it is also high in prostaglandins that cause the contractions and pain. So try to avoid or restrict eating red meat during menstruation. Eating and avoiding certain foods isn't the only action you can take to ease the symptoms of your period. So try these two. Exercises such as light cardio and yoga can reduce your menstrual cramps. Hot water bottles or microwavable hot compresses can soothe pain in your abdomen and back. Massaging your stomach or your back can reduce menstrual pain. I hope these tips were useful. If you have any doubts regarding diet or nutrition, also if you want any personalized diet charts, kindly send me a message on Instagram or Facebook and I will get back to you. Thank you.